Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on HTML encoding character sets. And right now, we'll be discussing about the HTML charset attribute, and also we'll be showing each other the differences between character sets. So I want you to notice everything I'm saying right here and everything I'm showing you guys right here very well. So quickly, let's continue. To display an HTML page correctly, a web browser must know the character set used in the page. This is specified in the meta tag, right? Inside this meta tag, we are having charset attribute along with double quote. Inside the double quote, we give it UTF-8, which is for UTF-8 character set, right? So let's now see the differences between character sets. The following table displays the differences between the character sets described above. In our previous tutorial, you can check our playlist where we discussed about the HTML encoding character sets in full details. Check the playlist. You are going to find the playlist there where you can find the HTML encoding character sets, so you can be able to follow along with all I'm saying right now. So all this one now, let's say for instance I want to use space you want to use space encoding, you want to use space in your document to encode something. This is how space looks in the ASCII, ANSI, ISO, UTF-8 also. They are all like this. This is space, sign of space. In the future, we are still going to show each other how you can use all these things reasonably. Don't you forget. I'm very sure by the time we kill all these things very well, you are going to understand it. So this exclamation mark you are seeing right here, you can see it is also under the ASCII, ANSI, ISO, UTF-8. I'm going to, and this dollar sign also, you can see it's also under ASCII, ANSI, ISO, and UTF-8. So I'm going to show you this one again. The left parenthesis and the right parenthesis, they are both under ASCII, ANSI, ISO, UTF-8. Don't you forget, this is ISO 8859 and the UTF-8 is the UTF-8. So let me show you some other things also. Let's scroll down. I want to show you something. So good. If you notice something right here, we are having this delete character set under ANSI. Under ASCII. We are having this delete character set under ASCII character set, but under the ANSI character set and the ISO and also the UTF-8, they are all empty. So I'm going to discuss about all these things I'm showing you guys right here. So again, if you notice around this 128, we are having this euro sign. The euro sign is under the ANSI character set, but under the ASCII, ISO, and the UTF-8, they are all empty. And also again, this bullet, the bullet character set is also under the ANSI character set, but when you notice under the ASCII character set, it's somehow empty right here, somehow empty at the UTF-8 and the ISO also. So I'm going to be showing you some stuff. So again, let's scroll down. Let's keep scrolling down. And if you notice some things right here, this register sign and this copyright sign, they are all under ANSI, UTF-8 and the ISO, but under the ASCII character set, if you notice, they are somehow empty right here. Please keep noticing what I'm showing you guys, because in the future we are still going to talk about all these things. As you can see, some of them they are under ASCII, some of them they are under the ANSI, and some of them under the ISO. But I'm going to be showing this division sign. As you can see, this physical division sign is under the ANSI, under the ISO, under the UTF-8. but under the ASCII character set, the division sign is not visible, right? So notice one thing I'm showing you here, because it's going to be this is going to have a lot of benefit in the future. The ASCII right here is not showing, either is having the division sign. That's why it's empty right here, as you can see. But it's having, right, the ISO, the ANSI and the ISO and the UTF-8, they all display it, they make it visible. But under the ASCII character set, it's not visible. So I'm going to show you guys how all these things works. So I think I'm done with what I want you guys to notice right here now. So in our next tutorial, you are going to understand more things about it. And what akorede ayofe is my name. I wish to see you guys next time. Have a great day. Thank you so much. Bye bye, and to the next